trying to look, what is the connection between these 4 aspects of the mother and the qualities? What is it that connects? And with the mind, I was sitting on the computer because I was curious. No, nothing happens. You can't see anything. You're completely blind. No. And then I actually was working with the group. We had started to do the first sessions. 2012, we found a way to create a workshop on this. No? So we have these cards here. Now, Uma gave me the 4, which are towards humanity. No? So using them in a workshop setup with people, we usually work often in small groups of 6, because then everybody can be heard and seen. It's very interactive. It actually works from unity. The first thing we saw was that these workshops, they didn't work from division towards unity, they worked from unity. So they put us in unity, and it's an amazing way to work. So we have worked with definitely more than 1,000 people with this kind of methodology. And we have worked on, that you were saying, a lot on organizational development. And we actually created a selection process without having any kind of quota or anything, by itself came out with gender balance, balance between age groups, balance between knowledge and experience, etc. No, so it's very, very, very alive and working. No, I want to say here, you see. So I am just sitting. I am working with the group, our entry group, who takes in people. It's a very difficult group to sit in. And I had worked with them actually through all the 12 qualities with this methodology. And it was the 3rd day we were working, and they were very busy, so they asked, could I wait? So I was sitting in the room waiting, and this one was sitting on the wall. So I was basically sitting, and I was kind of staring in the blue, and this happened to be in my sight. And suddenly I saw, oh my God, we didn't see that one. That's amazing. It gives us to right to the center of it. You see, this is Mahakali, and this is Mahasaraswati. Now you notice you have overlapping, but all the 4 here, which are towards humanity, they all sit on Mahasaraswati. They all sit there. What is Mahasaraswati? Big word for her is perfection, but she's order, she's organization, but it's not bureaucracy, it's music, no? That is Mahasaraswati. You cannot deal with humanity in an arbitrary way. You have to have order, but not rigidity. No, Mother talks about flexibility and plasticity endlessly. No, okay. So they are all 4 sitting on her, but goodness is overlapping with Mahakali. Now, if Mahasaraswati is order and organization and perfection, Mahakali is truth consciousness. And Sri Aurobindo Mother says she's the most loving aspect of the Divine Mother. And sometimes, at least for Westerners, that's a bit difficult to understand, no? And I just always kind of go back and move from my own life, no? And I know I have 4 kids. When a child is really hurt, it's very difficult to be there, to be present. Sounds horrible, no? Huh? Mahakali stays with you all the time. She was the first aspect of the mother that I came close to. And I always loved her because I knew I was such a useless person, no? But I knew that she would not leave me till that last thing is gone, you know. That's like the most fantastic thing, that you know she will take you all the way, whatever happens. And you are safe in that she will do that. You will not drop halfway with her, you know. So she's the most loving aspect, and she's truth consciousness. So then you have goodness. And then you get an integrity line, because actually you have then the gardens. I will go into them more later, but I just want to say it now. The garden here is the garden of life. So now you look at life and you look at goodness, and you have an integrity line which says truth consciousness, love, order, organization, perfection. You don't need to talk about percentage for how much outlets of the cars. You see it. It's totally visible. So then you have peace. It's also overlapping. It's overlapping with Maheshwari. Wisdom, wideness, universality, inclusiveness, that whole thing. You get a depth which is unbelievable when you look at it, you know. It's just like, it just sings through you when you start to explore it.